Hello, and welcome. Welcome to the TV room. Well, I have done something. Looky. It's a 64. Oh, this one, the warranty seal has been broken. Wahahaha. But it still needs to be tested. So hang on. First, I will set it down. I will turn the monitor on because I believe, if I'm not mistaken, that I have a 64 here. It is working and connected. Lovely. This one I know is, well, I could also use it. Every old computer could use a little magic eraser. It just could. Anyway, I know what it's going to do. Right. Gonna make a type mismatch error. I'm going to load the directory. And indeed, we see that this disk drive, which I tormented repeatedly, ran through everything just fine. I went through 10 times, did the whole test, filled the disk, and life is good. So, we have another 64 to test. And yes, of course, do I need another 64? Certainly not. All right. This one, I'll set it down. Oh, it's getting to be kind of messy in here, shocking as that might be. Alright, so the power switch is off. It does seem to be functioning. I'll put the video in. We'll get the serial in. We'll get a power cable. Ta-da! Stick it in now. Supposedly, this machine went through diagnostic-y things. Oh, looky. Poke 53280, Poke 53281, 0. Change the screen to white and try to load up a directory. And indeed, it loads a directory. Oh. Well, this is interesting. I thought, oh yeah, I know what I'm typing. But this one, it's obviously lost a key. It has. Because I went to go look, I know the keyboard. But there is a key that is squirrely here. Instead of the 8, there is a pound key that has a couple of graphics on it. Interesting. Well, one way to just give a 64 a bit of a torture test is to have it run through the disk drive performance test. Make sure that it will talk to the drive and also let it get a little heated up. So I guess we'll do that right now. It is formatting and doing its thing. But you know what? it's not so interesting to watch over this over and over and over and over and over and over and over. So I'm going to pause and we'll check in on this when it's done. The 1541 that is being tested yet again is another one that just arrived that we unboxed the other day, and it seems to be quite fine. But anyway, it's funny, because if you have a 64 and you hook it up to a disk drive and the disk drive doesn't work, it doesn't necessarily mean it's the disk drive. It could be. It might be. Sometimes it is the 64. All right, I'm going to pause. We'll catch up on this later. Hello, we're back. So this has successfully passed. This Commodore 64 successfully tormented a disk drive for a while. Do we want to do this again? No. But we can always list the program, see what's what. That's another thing at some point maybe I should do, is come up with a thing. There we are. Something to really fill the memory of a Commodore 64. Anyway. It's okay. So now, let's see. Let's go for the 4-in-1 diagnostic. Go for the dead test and the other, but of course for this, we gotta turn this off. Put this cartridge in and see what's happening. It always takes a little while to come up with the dead test. Well, there we are. There we are. There we are. So, this is a good way to get an idea of what's happening. They are not the fastest of things as you watch things flutter down the screen. But it does seem to be happening. But of course, what I'm really waiting for is the testing of the SID chip. That is where it's at. I know I have the volume on the monitor up, and now it will go away. It will go away, and we'll see. Soon. Soon. This might be the... Oh, there we go. The filters test. Lovely. Alright, now I'll press the reset switch. Take a different test. That is not the one I wanted. I did not want the 1541 test thing. I wanted this. This, of course, I should have the harness. But I don't. I don't. I don't. But I might. I don't know. I'm still baffled by all that. Baffled. Baffled. So, here comes the SID chip. Lovely. Alright, I'm going to turn this off. And I'm going to turn it on. And I will poke 53280, I will poke 53281, change this white, and then, oh yeah, I'll just go through the keys. Now, somebody, of course, has used a different key. But that's okay. Testing the shift key. Testing the shift lock key. Good. Testing the space bar. Return key. Cursor key up. Cursor key across. Yeah. Seems that the keyboard is pretty okay. So, well, let's try one more thing here. It's Bradley's Basic by Matthew Desmond. I will turn this off. It's a cartridge. Always good. I know certainly it works with the diagnostic cartridges. Or the cartridge that I put in. And it still seems to be quite fine. So here we have another, what appears to be a working 64. It's not bad in terms of yellowing. Like everything. A little rub. Like there's just little stuff. And then of course there's the strange key. Very strange. But these things happen. It is rare to find a vintage machine like this. It doesn't have a key that is broken. It is. So this is just doing a catalog, which, because Bradley's Basic gives you sort of basic 4, it will do that. And there it is. Alright, well, this 64 seems to be quite happy. Perhaps I will take it outside and let it get just a little bit of sun. Why? Well, you know. But yeah, definitely Magic Eraser. Like if you just look in the top there, I don't know if you can see that. Oh, while I'm here, I should show you. If you look at the keyboard, you'll see that it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then it has some other funny key there. Can you imagine? I can. Alright. Well, I could do a more extensive search inside. Like, I am actually kind of intrigued to find out what board is in here, and I think it's the small board, because usually I can see things here through these vents. I don't like the small board. It has the Super PLA, and that I find to be a rather evil adventure. Oh, I don't know why I'm so tired. Oh, yeah. Anyway, I am. So, I think that's enough for now. I still am intending to get up here soon. An Amiga 500 that may or may not work. I just don't know. Certainly the top is missing, and it may have a dubious power supply, so I may have to gather other things, but anyway, we'll see. For the moment, that's about all I have to say about that. So we'll see you soon back here. Maybe somewhere else, but certainly maybe back here in the TV room. Funny, I was just thinking, a dangerous thought. I do have what I refer to as a diva light that I've been meaning to light myself with, but I don't have the room terribly here, but I should. I need to make the room, but then I always think, gee, I could put it over by the door and have it shine over here. Maybe. Anyway, thanks for coming. Have a lovely, 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 lovely day. Bye for now.